What's going on, guys? This is Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2022 BMW M440i. This vehicle is powered by a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder, the B58, 382 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. So the M440i is a very, very nice BMW, and I realized I never made a video on an M440i before, which is interesting. So this is kind of like the M3. This is like the M340i, except it's a coupe version if you want a 4 Series. Very fun car to drive, of course. This one has the iDrive 7, which I really like. I have this in my G80 M3, and I always mention how I like iDrive 7 better than iDrive 8 with that giant screen in these sportier BMWs, because it fits the character of the car better and also makes the interior more timeless, because that big screen is already going to look outdated in like a year from now. You know what I mean? And I love the actual gauge cluster. I love how it says M440i in there. You have a black interior in this one, blue stitching. This looks like the Sensatec synthetic leather. You have this nice trim in the interior, Harman Kardon sound system, paddle shifters, nice thick steering wheel, heated steering wheel, and the M Sport wheel, 3-spoke, reverse camera. No 360 view, however. You do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this vehicle as well. Start button, Sport, Comfort, Eco, Pro modes. And you have a wireless charging tray. I really like the placement of this wireless charging tray. And in my M3, the wireless charging tray is in here, which drives me nuts because I never use it. It's just so stupid. I wish I could have just gotten that. I don't understand why some of these BMWs have it over there, which I prefer, but the M3 has it in there. Like, what the heck? You can also close this too. You have a what do you call, sunroof, and it's power operated. The sunshade, it's not like one where you pull it back with your hand or whatever. It's a pretty big sunroof as well. Sounds really good. Well, let's walk around this vehicle and see what it looks like. This has an interesting blue color. I'm not exactly sure what color this is though. Black wheels, blue and performance brake calipers. This one also has BMW laser lights, same headlights that I have on my M3. This one also has the shadow line package, which will give you like the black look in the headlights and not silver chrome. You also have a black grille. M440i badge on the back, dual outlet exhaust. Looks really good. Sounds really good too. Let me open the trunk so you guys can look at that. It's not power operated, and you have some good space. It's manual trunk. But yeah, interesting color. I don't really see this color too often on BMWs, especially on an M Performance model. This one has a little higher miles, 65,791 miles, so roughly 66K, but it's still in pretty good shape, you know? It was well taken care of. But at least whoever owned this vehicle before enjoyed it. It's always good to see. And took really good care of it. It's in really good condition for the miles. And I love how heavy the steering is. BMW steering is just so awesome. BMW knows how to make really good steering systems in their cars. I mean, all BMWs are just so fun to drive. Nice. That is really, really fast. It's like that 0 to 60 is fantastic. Very, very quick. Again, no surprise, because like the M340i and M440i are really, really fast. this motor in this car is just fantastic. Such an awesome powertrain. The B58, you know, is known to be very reliable, very capable, and very powerful, even stock, which is great to see. Look how instant that power delivery is. Look at that. It's like snap of a finger, it'll pick up. The ride's actually really smooth in Sport Plus as well, which is surprising. It's still really comfortable, despite the suspension and everything being stiffened up in Sport Plus and all that. That's good. And this one also seems to have like the upgraded driver assistance tech, where you have adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist, and you also have that little monitor that'll track your eyes while you drive. And the hands-free steering, you see those little lights over there. When you turn on like the hands-free steering, it'll turn that on, and then it'll be like green. Man, I just can't, for 382 horsepower, it feels so much more than that. That's what's so great about these. Like, the power is below 400 horsepower, but it feels like it's like 450 with how quickly the power gets delivered and how responsive it is. And in Sport Plus, as you slow down, like, you know, the revs will shoot up to give you some more opportunity to accelerate. That's sick. That is awesome. Let's just put it in the regular sport mode for the rest of the drive. This thing is always just so eager to move. Like, the car is just so eager. The thing with BMW's transmissions is that they're just so responsive that this 8-speed is like lightning quick. It's like literally like a DCT. Now look how fast that is. Especially in the M Performance models and full M vehicles, it's lightning fast. Yeah, super smooth ride, as I mentioned. I'm just so impressed with how smooth this car is. at how planted this thing is when you take a turn like that. That's so cool, guys. Absolutely love it. Such heavy steering. But overall, that concludes today's video on this 2022 BMW M440i. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for new, certified pre-owned, or pre-owned BMW vehicles.